Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a new video for you guys today. We're going to be diving into some cryptocurrency. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button. I upload videos weekly. Try to upload at least 1 or 2 videos weekly. Smash that subscribe button. Also follow my socials in the description below. My Instagram and my TikTok is on the description down below. Let's get into the video. You saw the title down below. We're going to be going over top 5 cryptocurrencies 2021 that I think will have lots of potential. First one, I'm not going to go through this list here. There's a few that I prefer that aren't the greatest, but I mean, still have potential. So we'll go over the first one here, Bitcoin. It's the alpha of all the cryptocurrencies out there right now. Has a huge market cap. It's going to remain bullish for as long as we know. You could easily see this hit 100k by the end of the year. I think the past year it's gone up probably like 800% or something like that. Let's check out the chart real quick. This is the chart right here. Let's open up the full chart. Let's just remove this really quick. There we go. This is the chart right here. And it's been bullish ever since. So if you were to do price range, let's go price range from let's go to this. So let's see how much it went up in a year. We're currently at the time of recording, it's April 3rd. So let's go like this. Go from here. I don't think it'll let me. Hold on here. I think I can scroll over. These ads are horrible. Just keep scrolling, keep scrolling. So yeah, it's currently up 800% since last year. That's pretty huge. I could see it going up another 800% easily. Well, that's the first one on the list. I'm gonna go check out the next one. Next one is Ethereum. It's the alpha of all the coins. It's the alpha of Bitcoin. It's gonna be the next biggest one. It's got a huge market cap as well. 234 billion. 233. Let's go check out the chart. ETH. Ethereum is really good because you can use it to buy NFTs now. That's like the main cryptocurrency that they want people to use to buy NFTs. If you don't know what an NFT is, go click on the top. I will pop up a link for you guys to go watch my last video. Let's see how much this one has gone up. Probably around the same, I would assume. Let's do a price range for this one. Some people are saying that this could top 2600 in the next month or two coming. It's already up 1600% since last year. You guys can see that 1600%, and it's above both of the moving averages, so it's remaining bullish so far. You could easily see this pushing 2600 or more. Like it already topped 1600. That was its main high. Let's check out the next one. I know there's Binance, Tether, Polkadot, and all that, but I'm gonna go with the ones that I think have potential. I'm not gonna just read off of the list, but Litecoin is another good one that has lots of potential. Got a huge market cap, 13 billion. So let's check out the chart. Let's go to Litecoin. I think that's what it is. Litecoin right here. See how much this one has gone up since last year. Used to be at 43 last year. Oh, this isn't even the right. Why does it say 54? Hold on, we gotta get the correct price here. What does it say 54? That's not even. This is the current price, 190, 195. I don't know why it's. Oh, what? Okay. So let's do. Let's see. Third. Let's do up to here. That was the high. So it's gone up 542% since last year. And it's trying to. Looks like it might be a sell currently, but in the long term, let's see, let's go like to the weekly chart or something. Let's just remove this. The weekly chart, it's still bullish. Let's check out the monthly chart. Definitely bullish on the monthly chart. It's only like 200 bucks a coin, just under 200 bucks a coin. That's a pretty good deal if you ask me. Let's check out another one that I really like. Number 4 is gonna be. I'm liking Polkadot. Let's check out Polkadot. It's $41 right now. Got a huge market cap, 38 billion. I don't even know if I can pull up a chart here. Let's try this one. 1301. No, that's not even correct. Price is 41. I don't even know if I can pull up the proper chart here. Oh, okay, here we go. 4071. It's 41 right now. Seems about right anyway. Let's go to the daily chart. So this started out in August. So let's see how much it's gone up since August. It's gone up 3,235% since last summer. It's pretty crazy. And it's still bullish. This one has huge potential. Let's check out number 4. I'm actually curious about Tether. 42 billion. I'm just checking out the chart really quick. I'm not making this official that this is number 4 on the list, but let's dive into it. Let's check it out on the chart. It's the current price, $1. That's not correct. I don't know if I can find a proper chart for that one. But if you guys want to check out Tether, go for it. Another good one. I'd say number 4 on the list is probably Dogecoin, even though it's probably overhyped right now. Still has some potential. Has a huge market cap as well, 7 billion. Still got potential. Go and invest your life savings into it or anything, but it's got potential anyways. Still bullish on the weekly chart. Let's see how much it's gone up since July of last year. Let's go to the high. It's up 5,000%. You go here, current price, it's up 3,000%. So you'd still be up 3,000%. That's number 4 on the list, guys. It's Dogecoin. I know it's overhyped, but it still has potential. It hits $1, it's easy money. Let's look at the last one. I don't even know any of these. I'm gonna go with one that's more common. I'd probably say Uniswap, honestly, or Cardano. Any of these really, but my number 5 choice would be Binance, BNB. You can literally buy some BNB and convert it to any other cryptocurrency. This is how I bought SafeCoin. I bought some BNB. Oh, it has a 49 billion market cap. Binance. Let's see if I can pull up a chart here. 321 sounds about right. To 322, yeah. Okay, let's see. Came out what, 2 years ago? So let's go April of last year. See how much it went up. Basically right here. So it's up 2,960%. That's pretty huge gains. Those are my top 5 cryptocurrencies for 2021. If you guys like this video, do me a favor, smash that like button, drop a comment if you want me to go over any other cryptocurrencies, or let me know what your favorite cryptocurrency is, or if you have any investments in cryptocurrencies. Also, if you like this video and all my other videos, smash that subscribe button to get to 100 subscribers by the end of this month. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.